Hello, welcome to my channel, The Broke Collar Student. Here at this channel, I'll be providing several ways to earn or save money, and I'll always give payment proof at the end of the video to show that whatever I'll be reviewing is legit and worth your time. So speaking of which, today I'll be reviewing an app called Coinout, and basically it's just an app that lets you earn money just by uploading receipts. It's really simple to use. Personally, I've gotten a couple dollars out of this, and it's little to no effort just for uploading. So as you see here is the format. It's pretty simple. I currently have $1.34, and that's after I guess a week of uploading receipts. From my experience, not a lot of people use the coupons, but I'll get into more detail at the scanning portion rather than coupons. But I'll just show it to you guys just to show you how it works. So as you can see here are the coupons. Obviously there's not a lot to it. So personally I wouldn't even really care about this that much, but here I'm just gonna start scanning one of the receipts just show you guys how it works. Scan it and see here I got 1 cent added to my account. It's added to my balance. Probably, I guess, from what I heard from the developers, the more you shop at a certain place or the clearer the photo, you get more money. But for me, it's just pretty much arbitrary. I get it was like a randomized payout of 1 cent to 8 cents, and I shop at Ralph's a lot, and getting 1 cent is just, that just shows that to me it's pretty much randomized. But yeah, you can see here here are the receipts. The green just means that it's been accepted, yellow is pending, and yeah, just gives you a whole history of all the receipts you did. Yeah, like I said earlier, yeah, most of these receipts are pretty arbitrary in terms of payout. Sometimes they be getting 1 cent, sometimes they be getting 8 cents. And you can see here there are two payment options. There's gift cards and there's banks. For me personally, I would just get it transferred to my bank account because it's more versatile. However, if you do choose to do gift cards, that's also there available as well. So now I'll get a little bit more into the payment proof. As you can see here, this is my I see Coinout did deposit money into my savings account, which is really great, just to show that they're a legit company. And overall, I feel like this app is really good. You don't really need to do much to do it. You just scan a receipt and then you're done, and then you just let everything build up. So is it worth it in the end? I would say yes. Download Coinout today, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.